Audio Jungle.
Here we go!
Audio Jungle.
Here we go! Here we go!
Hi everyone, I'm Joe Schold, the head coach here at St. Rose for both the boys and girls bowling teams. I want to congratulate everybody on the team for a successful season through the pandemic that we went through, but I do want to give a couple of awards to our underclassmen for their efforts. The boys team did very well, short-staffed, but we did well. We got some new members, and I most want to congratulate our newest member, and he'll be getting this trophy. It's Dan Martin, sophomore, as our, and I want to say it right, our Rookie of the Year. I'm very impressed with Dan and his abilities. He absorbed everything I gave him like a sponge, and along with his teammates, I am looking forward to a successful season going forward. On the lady side, we were a little short-staffed. We had 5 bowlers for the season, but we did do the best we could, and I'm very pleased with how everything went. I mean, the entire season, everybody enjoyed and improved. And my first award is going to Chelsea Legata. I am proud to say she was my most improved bowler by far. Again, learning the game last year along with her sister on the team, but this year got out on her own and is just done a wonderful job. And I am looking forward to next year, which will be alongside our Rookie of the Year, Maria Testa. Again, this year bowling alongside her sister Susanna, who's graduating. Maria was great, learning the game and absorbing the instructions I gave her, and I am looking forward to what is ahead for these fine students and doing the best we can to represent St. Rose going forward. So thank you, everybody.